is Raksha Rawat here, and our today's chapter is chapter number 3, Windows 10 Operating System. So let's begin. This is how your Windows 10 desktop screen looks like. Windows 10. Windows 10 is the most recent version, or you can say latest version of the Microsoft Windows operating system. Now, what are the benefits, or you can say that features of Windows? First one is control hardware attached to the computer such as keyboard, mouse, etc. It controls the hardware components of the computer such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. Next one is helps to open and close programs. Programs such as your Paint, Games, MS Word. So it helps in opening and closing programs. Next one is allows the user to interact with the computer through the keyboard, mouse, etc. Windows act as the medium between what? Medium between the user and your system. Because if there is no window in your computer, the user cannot communicate or cannot interact with the computer. Next one is controls the storage of data such as images, files and music. It also helps in storing of your data. Your data may be in any form, may be in image, files or music. And the last one is deals with errors and user instructions. It helps in dealing with errors and instructions given by the user. Our next topic is parts of Windows 10 screen. So here you can see that in this diagram, you can see various components of Windows 10 screen. So the first and foremost component is your desktop. So this whole screen is what? This is your desktop. It is an area where you work with your files, with your folders and with your programs. Okay. It is the main screen that appears after switching on the computer. Next one is icons. You can see in the left side of your desktop screen there are certain small objects or small pictures that represent a certain file, certain folder or program. These are known as what? These are known as your icons. Next one is your taskbar. So the bottom bar of the desktop screen is known as what? Is known as your taskbar. Here you can see that the taskbar consists of what? The start menu, the search bar, the task view, shortcuts and system tray. Okay. So our next component is your system tray. So what is system tray? System tray is also known as your notification area. Okay. It consists of what? It consists of your date and time, your internet connection, your volume button, your battery, etc. Okay. So this is what? This is your notification area. Next one is your start button. So here as you can see that the start button is in your taskbar and it is located in the bottom left corner of the desktop. It is used to open the start menu. You can see in this picture that when you click on the start button, the start menu appears. So this is what? This is your start menu. And from the start menu, you can easily open any program and any application. In this picture, you can see that, okay, your start menu is divided into two types. One is your left part or left side, and another is your right side or right part. So your left part consists of all the installed app in your computer system. Okay, as you can see here, File Explorer, snipping tool, calculator, sticky notes, paints. Okay, so this is what? This is your left part. And what is your right part consist of? Your right part is consist of, you can say that, tiles or live tiles. Okay, so here you can see that there are colorful tiles and which are of different sizes and different shapes. So according to you, you can easily resize these tiles or easily rearrange these tiles. So basically these tiles represent some application or program. Is search box. So you can easily find search box in the start button. When you click on the start button, your start menu appears, and in the very first option you will find search. And if you want to find any program or any application, you just have to type the name of the application and program, and you can find your program or application very easily. So our next topic is booting. So what is booting? The process of starting computer is known as booting. So booting is of two types. One is your cold booting and another one is your warm booting. So what is cold booting? When a computer is switched on, this process of booting is called cold booting. यानी जब आप अपने कंप्यूटर को स्विच्ड ऑन करते हो तो उस प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं? कोल्ड बूटिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज वार्म बूटिंग? The process to restart a computer that is already powered on is called warm booting. यानी जो जब आपका जो कंप्यूटर है वो पहले से ऑन है और आप उस कंप्यूटर को वापस से रीस्टार्ट करते हो और वो कंप्यूटर वापस से स्टार्ट होता है, तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? उसे कहते हैं warm booting. So you can see in this diagram, from start menu you can click on restart button to restart your computer again. So here your chapter 3rd Windows 10 operating system is completed. So thank you.